Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at this Samsung electric freestanding range. We will show you how to remove and replace your high-limit thermostat. To begin this repair, we must first access the back of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools needed for this repair is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and a voltmeter. Now that we are at the back of the unit, we'll remove the back panel. We'll go around the perimeter, remove all the Phillips screws that hold it on. Now that the screws are removed, to take off the back panel, be very careful because the edges are extremely sharp. You'll have to pull out on the bottom, lift up, and slide it out, then set it aside. With the back panel removed, we have clear access to the high limit thermostat. First thing you want to do is remove your Molexes. They're holding it on. Next, set up your meter. I put mine to an audible tone. We are testing for ohms to make sure that it is a closed circuit. When I put my meter leads on here, we should hear an audible tone showing us that it does have continuity if it is good. So let's hook it onto the terminals. So this thermostat is actually testing okay. If you are not getting any type of ohm reading from it and it is an open thermostat, you will have to replace it. It will not allow the oven to heat, and with some certain ovens, it will not allow the control board to turn on. Now usually for this to go bad, there has to be some type of problem with the oven. Usually a customer will use self-clean and it just gets too hot, or maybe your element is actually sticking on because the relay on the control board is faulty. Now if it is a bad thermostat, I would definitely dig in and see what you can find. There could be some other part which is bad, or the thermostat is just old and has lost continuity. To remove the thermostat, there are 2 metal tabs that hold it on. You have to use a small screwdriver in order to push these up. Once you bend the tabs up, you can slide off the thermostat and set it aside. To install the thermostat, simply slide in on the metal tabs that are provided. Use your finger to bend them back. The metal is reasonably soft, so you shouldn't have an issue with this. Push it back as far as you can to make sure it's tight against the cavity. Give it a little spin if you need to reconnect your Molexes. Now we can reinstall the back cover. To install your back panel, first you need to guide the sides into the slotted area. Let it drop down freely. Next, go around the perimeter and replace your Phillips screws that hold it on. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.